Okay, let's put this together, what we learned so far. We learned a few commands that will really help us start creating files and directories and navigating through these directories. If you want to create a folder in Linux by using the command line, you can type mkdir here for the make directory and spacebar, and then give a name for the new directory. So let's say testdir or test directory here. And we'll type ls for listening, and we'll see that this directory was created. All right, let's create another file, not a directory. Let's create a file next to this directory. So we'll type touch and test file for the file name, .text. Now we can create just the file without an extension, but we can also create it with the extension of .text. So touch testfile.txt, enter. Click list, and we can see the test directory and testfile.txt. Notice the difference in the colors in the output. The directories always have a different color from the files, and so this is how you separate the directory from files by the different colors. Now, if I type ls-l and I hit enter, notice what the output is. The output will be something else completely. Now, of course, the output will be related to the directory and that file, but it will also give me the permissions on these files and directories, the groups and user account, and its group of who created these files, the size of it, the time of creation or time of the last update for a file, and so on. So ls-l gives us the full information or complete details about the files and directories available at the location that you're working on. Okay, now let's navigate to the test directory. So let's copy the file first. C command copy to copy the test file to the directory test directory. Now don't forget the slash at the end. Enter. Now type ls to make sure. And we still have the directory and we still have the test file because we used copy, not move. All right, let's go to that directory. So cd test directory, enter, list the files. Now we have a copy of that file. Now if I want to go back, I can type here cd only, and it'll bring me right back. Usually cd will take you back to your home directory. Now, so if you're navigating into multiple directories, things will change a little bit. So we're going to create something interesting here. Let's put make directory and put -p and directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. -p option will create directories inside another directory, and the correct naming for this creation is nested directories. So we'll hit enter, type ls. Now here we have directory 1. Let's go ahead and look inside directory 1. So we'll cd-dir1 ls. Now we should have directory 2. So again, let's type cd-dir2 ls. So we have directory 3, perfect. Again, cd-dir3, enter, ls, and it should be empty. Correct. So where we are now in directory 3, we have directory 1, 2, and 3. If I type cd, it'll take me back directly to my home location. So I'm on directory 3 now, but what if I want to go back from directory 3 to directory 2? If I want to go back only one step, I can type here .. and hit enter. I'm sorry, oops, I forgot to put the cd. So cd .. It'll take me back one directory. And again, cd .. take me back again one directory. So instead of going back to my home all the way back 3 levels, I'm navigating back again to the middle directory. We'll type cd .. and I have one more thing. So I'm going to go to the cd directory 2 and directory 3 again. I want to go back 2 steps. So we'll type cd .. So to directory 1. So for each directory you want to go back, you can use the .. And if I type it twice, it'll take me back 2 steps. Does that make sense? As you can see, navigating into a Linux directory is really not all that hard. All right. Now, we've now covered the creation of directories, navigating directories, and creating new files and copying new files. So one more thing we need to learn in this demonstration is the removal of files. I can type rm for the removal of any type of text file. There you go, testfile.txt, enter. The test file will be gone, deleted. Perfect. But what about removing a directory? So let's rm testdir, Click enter. You can't remove test_dir because it's a directory. Fine. I have two solutions here. I can type rm-r for recursively deleting the content of that directory, and F to force it, and then type the name of that directory. Now what will happen here? Well, this command will delete the test directory by itself and all its contents. So you see the slash at the end. That's because we're using recursive deletion. So to delete everything inside of the directory and the directory by itself. So let's go ahead and try that. Enter ls, test directory has been deleted, and whatever was in it is also gone now. Now I can use another command here. So rm is usually or mainly used for files. Now there is another command for directories, which is rmdir. Now just as we have the command makedir, we have removedir for remove directory. So we can use also remove directory, but really both of them work with the right parameters after the initial command.